For an amazing cup of cappuccino, pour some coffee into the coffee filter, like so. Press with the coffee press. Put filter onto the coffee machine and put thermometer into the frothing jug. Purge your steamer twice to get rid of any build-ups at the end of the nozzle. Crank up the steam and start frothing your milk. Keep your wand at the lower side of the jug until your temperature starts to rise. As soon as your temperature reaches between 65 and 70 degrees Celsius, you want to lower your jug so that your end of your wand is just below the surface of the milk. Personally, I prefer mine at around about 90 degrees Celsius. Turn steam off. Give your wand a wipe. Purge your wand twice again. Tap the jug onto the desk to smash bigger bubbles, and then swirl the milk, which is also called polishing the milk. Turn on espresso to half a cup or a little stronger.
Stop.
Finally, pour your milk over the espresso. Ensure you mix any sugars beforehand. In this video, I had forgot to mix the sugar, so I had to mix after I pour the milk. It can still be carefully mixed at this stage. To finish off, you can put some chocolate sprinklers or cinnamon on top of your froth. This is a Starbucks brand cinnamon latte, or you can make the espresso a little stronger for a cappuccino. I hope you enjoyed the cup. Thank you for watching.